Hi, I'm Mackenzie from Delish, and I'm making a classic pound cake. It's one of my favorites to make just because it's so simple and it's always good. Pound cakes are great because they're a quick bread and they're also super versatile, so you can change them out with different extracts, different flavorings. You can serve them different ways. This is our classic pound cake recipe, which you can build off to make your own. Like most baked goods, we have our dry and our wet ingredients, so we're going to start with our dry ingredients. Whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. Next, for our wet ingredients, beat together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs, one at a time. Then add our vanilla and almond extract. Now that that's all combined, we'll add in our dry ingredients that we mixed together. And then add the milk until just combined. Now that our batter is made, add this into a lined and greased loaf pan. This bakes at 350 degrees for about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes. Once it's done baking, let it cool before slicing and serving it. This is perfect for serving to friends. You can have it as a snack time. It's a great easy dessert. I love gifting it to people, but it's a rich, buttery, golden pound cake. I hope you make this at home. This is my favorite pound cake recipe, and you can find more treats like it at delish.com.